Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia attorney. I specialize in helping injured workers and their family with Georgia workers' compensation claims. The Georgia workers' compensation system is what's known as a form-based system. What that means is if you've got a workers' compensation case, you're probably going to receive some Georgia workers' compensation forms. You may receive a form WC-1, WC-2, WC-3, WC-6, or any other sort of form. Now today I'm going to talk to you specifically about what's known as a form WC-3, called a notice to controvert. Controvert is a fancy word for denial. And if you receive a form WC-3 notice to controvert, some portion of your claim is being denied by the insurance company. The first important thing to understand when you receive any one of these Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation forms is it's not the State Board of Workers' Compensation that's sending the form to you. The form is generally being sent to you by your employer, their insurance company, or the employer insurance company's workers' compensation attorney. This can be confusing because the forms say Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation on them. So it looks to you like a form that's being sent to you by a government agency or a judge. But just know that this is the insurance company that's taking this position in your case. So the State Board of Workers' Compensation is not denying your workers' compensation claim. Your employer or their insurance company is choosing to do that if they're sending a form WC-3. Now, the first thing you need to do is look at the form and see specifically what treatment or what is being denied or controverted. It could be your entire claim. The form may say that your entire claim is being denied. For example, your employer may say that they didn't have an injury arising out of or in the course of employment, or that you were injured as a result of willful misconduct. If your entire claim is being denied, then your employer is saying you didn't have a workers' compensation injury. However, the form can also be used to deny specific benefits in your workers' compensation claim. One of the things that it's often used for is to deny a certain type of medical treatment. Your employer might complete this form if you had an arm injury at work and the doctor is proposing some type of treatment or testing on your neck. Your employer might file this form to controvert the treatment of your neck injury. The employer might also use this form if they are denying specific weekly benefits. For example, the employer may say that they're not going to pay you temporary partial disability benefits because it's not your injury that's causing you to lose money at work. Once you've determined what benefits are being denied, you can figure out what you need to do next. If your entire claim is being denied, then you're probably going to have to fight about it in court in order to get any workers' compensation benefits. If just a portion of your claim is being denied, then you'll need to determine whether you disagree with the insurance company's denial of these benefits. The best thing to do, whether your entire claim or a portion of your claim is being denied, is if you receive a form WC-3, then reach out to your attorney to find out what needs to be done. If you don't have an attorney and you receive one of these forms, then I definitely recommend talking to one. I'd be happy to talk to you and provide you with a free consultation about your case. You can do that by either giving me a call at 770-214-8885 or contacting me through our website, perkinslawtalk.com. There's a form there you can complete that will email us and we'll reach out to you to schedule a free consultation. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know. The best way to do that is by giving the video a thumbs up on YouTube. Thanks for watching today, and best of luck to you as you recover from your injury.